You are welcome to the Nati Guide. In today's video, I'll be talking about 5 useful Google Chrome extensions. First of all, before you can get access to Chrome extensions, you'd have to click on this three dots over here. When you click on this, you would navigate your mouse to extensions. Under extensions, we have manage extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. You would select visit Chrome Web Store. This is how Google Chrome Web Store looks like. There are some top categories over here. We have shopping, entertainment, tools, art, and design. When you click on the extensions section, there are some categories of extensions. We can check themes too as well. There are some colors over here that you can apply to your Chrome browser. The first extension I'll be talking about is Super Dark Mode. You can use the search button here to search for it. This is how the super dark mode looks like. This particular extension can darken almost any website that you search for. All you have to do is enable the extension and you are good to go. The next extension I'll be talking about is Google Translate. This particular extension adds a button to your browser toolbar, and therefore you can always click on the translate icon and your document will be translated for you. The next extension I'll be talking about is Bitwarden. This particular extension manages all your passwords. If you're somebody who easily forgets his or her password, you can use this extension to manage your password. Another useful extension I'll be talking about is Tamper Monkey. This particular extension enhances your browsing experience by allowing you to run user scripts on websites. The final extension I'll be talking about for this video is Momentum. Momentum replaces new tab pages with more personal dashboard to help you get focused, stay organized, and motivated to achieve your goals. When you activate Momentum on your web browser, this is how it's going to look like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share as well.